In 2023, nearly 900,000 cases were filed in the courts. In the same year, just over 830,000 were closed. This means that each year, around 60,000 new cases pile up. Today, the total backlog has already surpassed 500,000. And time goes by. In the district courts, 15,000 cases have been open for over 4 years. In the lower courts, 18,000 have been stalled for just as long. The system has about 800 active judges, but 50 positions remain unfilled, with no appointment in sight. Justice moves slowly and still takes vacation. The summer recess began with the system in its worst state ever. The lack of judges and the growing caseload make access to justice more difficult. In some cases, crimes committed 20 years ago are only now reaching trial. The judicial reform has worsened the problem. Dozens of positions remain vacant, awaiting an agreement between the Minister of Justice and the President of the Supreme Court. The Judicial Appointments Committee is paralyzed. One example shows this clearly. In 2016, the Jerusalem District Attorney's Office filed a tax fraud indictment against the managers of an IT company. 9 years later, in 2025, the case hasn't even had its first hearing, and the court is already on break. Until September 5th, courts will only handle urgent matters. This is just one of several breaks throughout the year. Third highest backlog in the world. According to the latest report from the Courts Administration, the country ranks third in the world in judicial backlog. The math is simple. More cases come in than go out. The work pace doesn't match the demand, and rulings take longer and longer. Meanwhile, 50 judge positions have been vacant for months, with no appointments due to political deadlock. The new judicial year, starting on September 5th, brings no promise of change. The overload will continue. Defendants' rights remain at risk. Law enforcement will be even more impaired, and exhausted judges will face yet another cycle of work beyond the limit. While justice moves slowly, citizens keep waiting. What's at stake isn't just system efficiency, but people's trust in the law, the state, and the future. No judges, no deadlines, no decisions. The question remains, for how long?